So I was going to print this basket, but when I put in the slicer, because of the square corners and stuff of this thing, it's going to need all these supports and stuff because there was overhangs galore. Oh, I got rid of the top squareness. I put a nice round top and bottom on it, put a new infill on the bottom, and shazam. Oh, fix the corners too, and shazam. We have ourselves a basket that doesn't need supports. Load it up in the slicer. And look at that. No demands for supports. Just the way we like it. But what should we print it out of?
Wood.
This print's like 20 hours. I hope my wood can last that long. And look at that. We're laying wood. It's done. This is print New Maker's 25% wood, recycled wood. And it's a PLA, so it's all recyclable. And I've never printed with it before. I might have to change my temperature a little bit. Maybe bring it down a little. But it's different. I've never printed wood before. And it's really feels different. It feels kind of feels like a wood box. But different. Differently different. I uploaded my version of the Wicker basket to printables.com 615018. Or you can find the Wicker basket on makerworld.com 41403.